Hi guys, this is Daz007, also known as Nedlock from uklocksport.co.uk, and today I'm going to be picking this very old Henry Squire lock. I actually got this one from my granddad. He's not with us no more, but I think he'll be pretty impressed that I'm picking one of his old locks. I think it'll be a bit of a laugh, that one, so let's pop it in the vise and give it a go. Okay. Here we go. And there we go. Popped open. I did have to use a bit of the old WD-40, but it's working quite well again now, so I'm happy with that. Another lock to the collection. We'll just pop that open again. And that's it, popped open again now. So it is actually a Henry Squire lock. There's a new one, the new version, which I'll be doing soon. I must say they have improved, because the newer lock is a lot harder. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to mention about the bump keys actually before we go. I got these from withoutakey.co.uk. Fantastic, work an absolute treat. I thought I was going to struggle with them, but I've watched quite a few videos from Odyssey 2. I learned quite a lot. So, Without a Key, great product. Thank you very much, and remember to keep it legal.